let's talk about compound and complex sentences. A compound sentence connects two independent clauses with each other. In other words, it can connect two full sentences. And you can do this either with a coordinating conjunction connecting them or a semicolon connecting them. A coordinating conjunction is that fanboys acronym. Stands for these small words that connect other things. Fanboys. For, and, nor, but, or, yet, so. Those are the coordinating conjunctions. You can also do it with a semicolon, which is this symbol here that looks like a comma with a dot on top. So our examples are here. I have a pet dog, comma, and her name is Mara. Here are two sentences. I have a pet dog is a full sentence. This can be a sentence on its own. It has a full thought with a subject and a verb, but if I want to connect it to another full sentence, her name is Mara, and I just want to make my sentence a little bit longer and have some varied sentences in my writing, I can say, I have a pet dog, comma, so I add a comma, and then put the coordinating conjunction and, because I'm adding on another idea that is connected. I have a pet dog, comma, and her name is Mara. Alternatively, I could write, I have a pet dog, semicolon, her name is Mara. So this semicolon can also connect the two sentences, the two independent clauses, and that will make it a compound sentence. The semicolon is slightly more formal and not used quite as often as the coordinating conjunction. Now, complex sentences are slightly different. They combine an independent clause, that full sentence, with a subordinate, also called dependent clause. So in other words, they are connecting a full sentence with a part of a sentence, a phrase or a clause that cannot be a sentence on its own. In order to do this, you use a subordinating conjunction like because, if, whenever, since, or some prepositions after, before. These words will help you create a complex sentence. An example of this is, because I am working now, we will eat later. Now you might notice I am working now could be a complete sentence on its own, and we will eat later could also be a complete sentence on its own. But we have this word because in there, which gives us a cause and effect. So because I am working now, that can't be its own sentence because we have this word because in there, which indicates to us, because I'm working now, something else has to happen. What is the effect? So I'm working now, so what? So we have because I'm working now, comma, we will eat later. And that makes it into a complex sentence.